Hello friends, this is the all new innovation Garnier Fructis with active fruit concentrate fortifying shampoo. This shampoo helps you to have a break-free hair that shines with all its strength. It gives you extra shine and protection to the colored hair with active fruit concentrate, and an innovative combination of ingredients naturally present in the fruit add strength and shine to your hair. The product is enriched with fruit acids and vitamin B3 and B6, and also contains fructose and glucose, and also contains fruit vitamins which help to grow the hair long and strong. The Garnier Fructis system of fortifying shampoo conditioner with active fruit concentrate acts deep within and on the surface of your hair. It nourishes the hair from the roots to tips. It works inside the hair strand to strengthen it. It smoothens the hair 5 times stronger, up to 5 times smoother than an ordinary shampoo. You will fall in love with this great product. Hello friends, today I am going to unbox the new innovation Garnier Fructis with active fruit concentrate fortifying shampoo for colored highlighted hair. I have brought it from Amazon.in. It is packed in thick polythene casing so that water and dust content may not damage the product. Here you can see the barcode and the QR code. You can scan the QR code on your phone and can get total details about the product. And now I am ripping it open. Here I am cutting it with my scissors and the product will be out. And here this is the bill sent by Amazon, and here this is the product. This is the shampoo. This is the Garnier Fructis fortifying shampoo with active fruit concentrate. It looks very nice and very good. The MRP of the product is rupees 135 INR. And here I have opened the shampoo, and here I am taking it out, and it is very nice. The Garnier Fructis fortifying shampoo with active fruit concentrate makes your hair look healthier and shiny. The prime reason behind the fruit concentrate in the composition is to nourish your hair from the root. It works from inside the hair fiber to strengthen it and smoothens the hair to the tip. It also moisturizes the hair and doesn't make it look dry at all. It helps the user to manage the hair easily after a refreshing shower with this shampoo. The splendid combination of fruit acids and vitamins nullifies hair breakage, and the roots of the hair get stronger than ever. This is surely the best product you can offer to your hair. With the innovative combination of active fruit concentrate and the combination of the ingredients naturally present in the fruit help to give strength and shine to your hair. The fruit acids, vitamin B3, B6, fructose and glucose also provide nourishment to your hair. For the hair that shines with all its strength, the Garnier Fructis system of fortifying shampoo and conditioner with active fruit concentrate acts deep within and on the surface of your hair. It nourishes the hair from the root to the tip. It works inside the hair strand to strengthen it. It smoothens the hair to the tip. The Garnier Fructis system makes the hair up to 5 times stronger and up to 5 times smoother, and for healthy, it also makes the hair shinier in all respects. Whether you are brushing or combing, it gives a perfect look, and as compared to tastes, it is very good as compared to ordinary shampoo. This immensely useful shampoo comes in 100 ml plastic bottle, which is very attractive. The bright green container makes the product more appealing to your eyes. So in order to ensure that your precious hair is cared well, this shampoo should be a part of your bathing kit. So go and grab your bottle now and say goodbye to all your hair related problems. Look good from within and win over a jillion hearts. With the regular use of this shampoo, your hair becomes stronger from within and shinier on outside. This shampoo is suitable for all hair types. It can be used by both men and women alike. With the active fruit concentrate and the innovative combination of ingredients naturally present in the fruit help to give strength and shine to your hair. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.